Okay, so handyman series. This is my second video. The first one kind of sucked. I know the audio was horrible, the lighting was horrible, But we're gonna try something different. I got the GoPro number 4 on a head mount thing I can wear. I'm only doing a post today. Pretty simple. Charged in 4-hour mini, 360. Post is like 150. A couple 2x4s to jack up the porch. I'll probably be there total of 2 hours, 3 hours. The drive is a half hour there, half hour back. So let's go check this out and see what happens. We are in Canastota. Here we are in Canastota, New York. And this is the post that we're changing right here. We're gonna change out this post here. I'm just gonna put a 2x4 along the side, and then I'm gonna take that one out, and then I'm gonna jack it up from down here and slide it in. Let it sit, pressure will hold it, and that's about it. Okay, so here we're gonna take out the post. Gotta go get some tools first. Gotta find them because I think my son was the last one in the trailer. Gotta look in here. Always gotta look in this bag, even though I know it's not in there. Well, let's look in here. Nope, not in there. Well, I do need the one part. No socket's gonna fit it, so I gotta move everything. Move something to do something. Just looking for a 1/2-inch socket. Okay, I think I found what I'm looking for here. Let's move some other stuff so I can grab the right tool. Let's take this flag holder off. She said it breaks all the time, so we're going to put a bolt all the way through it next time on the new post. There was a little birdhouse right here she had, ceramic. Okay, well, we found the tool. All that, running around to get this one screw out. Lag bolt. All that for nothing. Well, to get that screw out, I guess. So, time to beat this post up. Take off these old numbers. I was going to use them, but for $2 for $6 and get new ones. So I talked him into that, or I'd have got them anyways, because it's just pointless of putting old stuff on new stuff. So, take these off. Then we're going to bust this post up and take it right out. Alright, hey, let's find another tool again. Measuring for the, I'm going to buy a 2x4, 2x6 to jack it up. I was going to do it on the outside, but then I realized I had enough room to set it right on the concrete pad and jack it up from the inside. Pretty beat up, see the bottom? Yeah, I just beat it up a little bit and it's only one bolt holding it. Alright, so we're heading to Lowe's in Oneida, New York. Go get a post and some supplies. I'm going to jack that bad boy up. Looking for traffic here. And set the new post and let it down on top of it. Hopefully it works that way. We'll see. Fun part about upstate New York. Working in the snow. Love it. Gotta love it. I need a pencil. Any pencils in here? Right there is a little broken. Another one. Alright, pencil. Okay, so I found my pencil. Now let's get this 2x6. We're going to cut that and first find the jack. We'll cut that 2x6 up to the correct measurements, minus whatever the jack is. I think it's like 8 inches, 8.5. So take your measurement and then minus the jack. And then I always do another 1/2 inch. Give you some room to put it in. Working by myself makes it a lot easier. Try and get that jack as close as I can to the post, because I got to jack it up on that block they have on top, because everything, the soffit and everything's metal. I put try to post, or I'm just going to bend it and I'm not messing with the metal. Not in the winter. Alright, so let's put this on here and let's get this bad boy jacked up. Nail in the way. Give it a few. You can hear it creaking when I was doing this. The whole soffit and everything was getting tweaked. Let's go out in the yard. I could tell by the siding behind it, as long as the siding behind it's level. Looked pretty good though. Just the routing of that post at the bottom and it sunk a little. Not too much though. I think the other guy that put this post in never, obviously the post before this one was bad. So he probably never jacked it up and that's why it was so low. But we fixed that. Looking for tools. Looking for tools. Always looking for tools. Alright. Well, we got a couple of screws we got to get out here. That was their fastener system. I used a screw on top, a couple, and then I used a bracket at the bottom, which I don't have the video for that because my GoPro was in my pocket. I jacked it up a little bit more. A little smagma on the bottom there. Clean that up. Hey, let's go get some more tools. Well, I turned that because I don't want water getting in the electrical outlets. Let's get a broom. Clean this up. Alright, let's take a measurement of our post. I think it was 91.5. So that's what I'm going to cut it at, and then I'm going to put it in, jack it up a little bit more, slide it in. You know, measure 2 or 3 times on a $160 post, right? But I did get it for $100 because there was a crack in the bottom when I was cutting off 6 inches anyway, so homeowner saved $60. I didn't try to cheat him out of the money. He just got his leg amputated. I felt bad for him. Let's get our post. All right. Still snowing. It did stop though. I'd rather it snow than rain though. That's a lot better. So we're unwrapping the post. Got it on the old drop cloth so I don't scuff her up. And I opened up this package, and unbeknownst to me, both of the trim kit pieces, top and bottom, were all kinked. So I got a little torch, heated it up, try to get them kinks out best I can on the job site. That was the last package. The other Lowe's is 45 minutes away. Took a little while. I think I was running out of butane. No, I know. I was running out of butane because the flame was only half an inch. It's like you got to open up the products now and check everything out. It's double the money for half the product, and they're beat up. But at least the post I cut off, and the guy saved $60. Good old Speed Square. Had that one for over 20 years. It's like one. No, it's my second one. Did have one. Then I bought the cool blue one when it came out. Slice this bad boy up. It's got the metal post in the middle. We'll just get the old Sawzall. Try and turn down the sensitivity on the mic so you don't hear me breathing. This is when I set up the other GoPro, but people like this angle better. They can see everything. But I'll put some of the other video on there too. Easy work, fresh blade. So I put the trim kit on. put the bad side that I can see towards the neighbors. Alright, so I did lose a little bit of video there when I reset the post and put the bracket and all that in. I dry fitted it first, and then I jacked it up another 1/2 inch to get the bracket in, screwed that in, some Tapcons, set the post, and just let it down as you've seen. That's about it. Put the levels away, trim is on, post is pretty much it's in, as you can see here. Yeah, no video. It's in the bag. We got some new numbers for the peoples. So obviously this is just a different view of the other GoPro. I had to re-drill right through the center post and everything for this flag. This is not too safe. Holder. This is not too safe. I'm gonna grind this head off a little bit. I had to grind the head of the lag bolt off some. Tighten these up. To the post. Serious. You gotta get a tool to get the tool. I mean, geez Louise, come on. Jesus, man. Can you make them any tighter? Make a magnetic case so you can just put it in there and it sticks. So I'm just finishing up the trim, top and bottom. There was little birds in there. They are gone now. Same thing here, just putting this small birdhouse. It's a ceramic birdhouse up for the lady. Pretty simple. Let me start doing the numbers here. I wonder if this is going to mix with the other one. So here we got a 50 and a 1. 150, 105, 051. Anybody ever do that on their address? 051 for 51? I don't think anybody would do that, but you never know. So this is it. We just got to put these up, clean up, and we're out of here. Pretty simple stuff. My furnace is running in the background. I wonder if you can hear it. I guess I'll know when I edit it. Alright, let's put this one up, and then you know whatever, all the rest. Pretty simple stuff. Tiny screws, man. And the packaging was ridiculous. The packaging was bad. Obviously just a different view of the same thing. Put in the numbers on. I did put a number on, and then I took it back off and moved it over just a hair because it wasn't, I kind of like to not just to stagger them a little, you know, not straight up and down. So it was a little off, no big deal. Covered the holes. The 5s look small though. So now it's the best part of the day.
picking up. This is the time when I sweat the most. It's 28 degrees out. But every time it's time to sweep and clean up is when I sweat the most. I don't know why. Because I want to get out of there, get paid and go to my next job. That's why. Oh, that's probably why, yeah. Because I'm in a hurry. Makes sense. Yeah, just put everything away. At least when I throw it in there, I know where I'm throwing it. Not like some of these other yahoos. So, post out, post in. Missed the bracket part. I lost the video for the bracket, which is the important part of the post. We're cleaning up. We're almost out of here. The people were very happy. They want me to do some sheetrock work and paint a ceiling, 420 square feet. Ceiling, but there's a lot of stuff they're going to have to move.
So the conclusion of this job was, took a post out, put a post in, took a wood post out that was rotted out, pretty bad, hollow one, and put a PVC post in. It's got a metal steel tube in the middle, like a fence post. Hung the flagpole. I had to go get parts. That was an hour. I was actually only there doing the job hour and a half. Charged them $360. Parts were like $148, and I gave him $30 off because he's a veteran. You know, nice guy. They deserve something. But anyway, so that's the conclusion of that job, I guess I should say. Till the next one. So look at the nice New York State Thruway. It might be 70 miles an hour here soon. That would be a great thing, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it, people from New York? Be able to do 70. Then we can do 80. The cops let us do 80? They have to. They let us get away with 75, 76. I don't slow down 75, 76. So we should be able to get away with 80. That'd be great.